We are on Chapter 7, and we are working with division facts and strategies today. We're going to go in our Go Math book to page 252 and look at some of our vocabulary. We have a Venn diagram with multiplication words and then division words. Remember, this area in the middle is for both of those things. We have some review words of divide, dividend, divisor, equation, factor, inverse operations, multiply, product, quotient, and we looked at facts. And we are going to use those to fill in the Venn diagram. Then we have a preview word of order of operations, which is what we're going to do in this chapter. So if we look at the word divide, you'll need to decide, is that a multiplication word or is that a division word? And hopefully, divide, goes in the division side. Dividend, also a division word. And divisor. If you look at those three words, you can see that they are all same beginning, which should give you a clue that those are all division words. Next one is equation. Thinking about what you know about multiplication and division and about the word equation. Remember, equation is a math problem written with an equal sign. So would equation be multiplication, division, or both? I think that it is both. So I'm putting it in the middle of my Venn diagram. A factor. Factor was the word that we learned a couple of chapters ago before we were in division, and a factor is a multiplication word to do with what you are multiplying together. Inverse operations, remember those are those turnaround facts. So inverse would be both of them. Should have written a little bit smaller on my Venn diagram. Multiply. I know it's going to be a multiplication word. Product. Product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Quotient is the answer in a division problem. And related facts are your fact families. So our preview word is order of operations. So we know that we're going to learn that. And the order of operations is a special set of rules that gives you the order in which calculations are done to solve a problem. So this is a rule of steps, basically. Okay, looking down at the bottom, complete the sentences by using the review and preview words. And tells me my word is going to start with a vowel. It doesn't say A, we know that it's going to start with a vowel. Is a number sentence that uses the equal sign to show that two amounts are equal. So we talked about that. I actually drew it up above. Equal sign means equation. The blank is a special set of rules that gives the order in which calculations are done to solve a problem. We just talked about that here. You're going to have to write super nice. Mine probably won't fit with my marker. Hopefully yours fits nicer than that. And blank are a set of related multiplication and division equations. So we know it has to be something multiplication and division, so we can look in here and we should remember that those are related facts. please start a section in your math journal. Label it Chapter 7 and go ahead and tear this page out and cut this portion off of the page and glue that in Chapter 7 so that you have a reference to those vocabulary words as we go on in this chapter. Taking a step backwards, you're going to go back one page to page 251 and show what you know. So you're going to start by thinking with addition and subtraction and write the missing numbers. So it looks like they're kind of setting up a little fact family here, or related facts for you. The second part, you're doing missing factors. Factors is a multiplication word, so you're going to figure out what 2 times equals 10. And then you're just practicing some multiplication facts. Remember, our 3rd grade SMART goal is to be able to complete 100 math facts in less than 5 minutes. So we should always be continuing to practice those. Your job in your book now is to complete page 251, trim around on page 252, and glue that inside of a new section of your math journal.